Craft the future with the London School of Planning and Management. Are you ready to engineer solutions to global challenges? Our engineering course at LSPM is your gateway to shaping tomorrow's world, one innovation at a time. From designing cutting-edge infrastructure to revolutionizing mechanical systems, our comprehensive curriculum empowers you to harness the power of innovation and ingenuity in every aspect of engineering. Join us at LSPM and become a visionary engineer, driving progress and shaping a brighter future for generations to come. Enroll now and let's build a world that's as remarkable as your imagination. To apply, visit our website www.lspm.org.uk today.